Well, humidity on the rise across the valley as we start the weekend. It will be getting much more humid, I think, by Sunday and Monday. You'll notice the July heat coming back next week. Now we have at least a chance for rain the next couple of days. Spotty showers still in the forecast today, and at least through Saturday, maybe one or two on Sunday. But you could see maybe a weak thunderstorm, just a couple flashes of lightning. But most places probably dry, just little spots of showers here and there. The July heat returns next week, even getting those numbers back up around 100 degrees in some areas, I think, by mid to late next week. So hopefully enjoy the last couple of days when it's not so hot out there. And back up to 90 right now, which is still a pretty good deal for this time of year. Most Julys, it's already into the mid-90s by this time in many areas. 90 degrees in Weslaco, 88 in Harlingen and Raymondville, 90 in Rio Grande City. The old Muggy meter got pushed down a bit with the humidity down a couple days ago. Now the humidity is going right back up there. Dew points are in the 70s valley-wide and probably will climb a little higher as we head through the rest of the weekend and next week. Again, you look at the First 1-5 Doppler network, there's not much rain. 95% of the valley or more is probably dry at the moment. And you look a little closer, you can see a few specks of showers popping up, everything drifting their way west. The biggest shower right around Rangerville and on the north side of Los Indios, moving its way to the west. And again, with this moving over, you might get 15 minutes or so of a pretty good downpour. I mean, wouldn't be surprised to see maybe a good half an inch or more of some rain. But that's moving its way to the west. Farther to the west, there's one shower that briefly popped up near Donna. You can see right there, and then it's already fading away kind of on the south side of Donna. Farther to the north, a couple little showers also moving their way north of Elsa, and between there and Monte Alto, we see a couple little showers passing by south of Delta Lake. So nothing big, but if you are outdoors today, kind of watch the skies off to the east because everything is coming from east to west. And if it looks like there's dark gray clouds off to your east, you might be getting some rain. Satellite radar shows, again, a little isolated showers coming in off the Gulf. Some of this with the warm air and humidity trying to push back in from the front that went through to the south. Now it's lifting its way back to the north. Future track shows little spots of showers this afternoon, maybe a weak thunderstorm, and then most everything dies off after sunset. And then tonight, generally clear to partly cloudy skies and most areas dry. And then tomorrow, too, kind of the same thing. You might see a couple showers or a weak thunderstorm in spots during the day, but future track doesn't show a lot going on. And then on Sunday, maybe just enough instability left over. Again, you could see a couple showers maybe pop up during the midday and afternoon hours, but I think rain chances go down some on Sunday to maybe like 10% or so, and then keep dropping next week. 30% chance for rain today and tomorrow, down to 10% on Sunday and probably Monday, and then it may almost disappear after that. So the weekend, definitely not a washout anywhere. Just like today, you might have a quick little shower or storm, mainly just a shower, maybe for 10, 15, 20 minutes or so, pass by in a few areas, and Sundays an even lesser chance. So your First 1-5 AccuWeather forecast today, 92 for a high. Clouds building up at times and a shower or maybe a weak thunderstorm in spots. Most of the afternoon spent in the low 90s for a high, and the wind flow still turning toward the east and staying light. Down to 75 tonight. Again, maybe a spotty shower mostly in the evening, otherwise probably a dry night. And the First 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, 92 today, 94 tomorrow, 97 on Sunday. A definite warming trend and getting more humid. And next week is back into the hot stuff with highs in the upper 90s to near 100 degrees, lows in the upper 70s to near 80. Should be rather breezy Sunday and Monday, maybe into Tuesday, and the winds may die off a little bit after that for a nice, hot, kind of calm day on Wednesday. But I think after about Sunday and Monday, there's very low chances for a shower anywhere, and we just kind of get hot, hot, and hot. So if you want to help people cool off, this is coming up on the hottest time of the year, July into early August. 5 Fans for Friends campaign ends next Wednesday. So what you have to do is go to your local HEB, pick up the Lasco fan, buy it, put it in the donation bin, ask the employees if you don't know where it is, and let them help you out. And then the Salvation Army will pass on some of these fans to people who need them. And again, the Salvation Army, in McAllen, 1600 North 23rd Street, a good place to pick them up. Harlingen, 201 East Monroe Avenue. If you need a fan, check there. Remember, if you want to donate, you buy them at HEB and then put them in the bin, and the Salvation Army distributes them at these locations. So we'll keep you updated on what should be, again, some hot days next week in your First 1-5 forecast. Dina?